here and tell me how they got it. How did you get it, sir?
I added 200 plus 200 equals 400.
Stop right there. Can somebody add on to that and tell me what you think his next step would be? What would his next step be? What do you think? Stop right there. Was that your next step?
Yeah.
Okay. So who can add on one more time? What do you think they would do next? Where is that last step at? What do you think? So that was your last step? You agree?
That was my thing.
So what is the answer to 250 plus 250?
500.
Front. Voices off. Remember, this is a number string. So the next problem I give you is to use this problem. This problem is going to help you solve the next problem. Okay? So here we go. If we're using this problem to solve this one, we should get the answer really fast if we see how to do it. So we're going to try to figure that out right now as a class. So what I'm going to do this time is give you the answer. When I give you the answer, you don't have to worry about finding the answer. What we have to worry about is how could I use this problem, 250 plus 250 is the same as 500, or equals 500, to solve this problem. Turn and talk to someone next to you. See if you can figure that out. In 2, and in 1. Who can tell me how they used the first one to find the second one? How did that work? And I need someone to listen really carefully because I might ask you to repeat what they have to say. What are you thinking in the back?
I think you have to take 2 away from...
Stop. Can someone say and repeat what he just said? What did he just say he took away? Is that true? Did you take 2 away? Where is the 2 coming from? Where did he get 2? What do you mean he took 2 away? This problem does not say subtraction. It says addition. So what do you mean he took away 2? What do you think? So she said something about 249 and 250. What do we know about those 2 numbers? How far apart are they? Oh, those are 1 apart. So what do we know about these 2 numbers?
1 apart.
They're 1 apart. Is that where you got your 2 from? If each of these are 1 apart, how far apart should they be? 1 and 1 make?
2.
They are 2 apart. So how did we get 498? How did we find that? How did we find that? What do you think? Oh, so there's 1 more in each of these, but he said he actually did some subtraction. Does somebody know what you think he might have done for that subtraction? What do you think?
Then he had to minus the 2 since he added the 2 back on to get the...
He had to subtract 2. Subtract 2 from what? Who can add on to that? Subtract 2 from what? Oh, the 250s, which totaled what? 500. 500 is what we had right here, right? How many do we have to take away?
Minus 2.
And if I have 500 and I take 2 away, how many do I have?
198.
Does that match the answer we got?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, wait, we got another one. I want you to use that same strategy again. Is everybody ready? You can do it.
I know.
When I get to 3, you're going to say the answer. 1, 2, 3.
497.
I think I heard the same thing from everyone. What I heard was 497. I want a subtraction problem, just like I had last time. Who can give me a subtraction problem? And I need someone else to decide if they agree or disagree with that when I put it up there, and why. Okay, you have a subtraction problem?
Yeah.
All right, you tell me your subtraction problem.
498 minus 1 equals 497.
Okay. Can somebody give me a different subtraction problem? Did anyone use a different one? Anybody use a different subtraction problem? What'd you use? 249 minus 1 was 248, and you were able to use that to help you out. Did anybody use a different subtraction problem? What did you use?
So, I would, so I solved it, and then I would have to
Oh, she said she subtracted 3. If she subtracted 3 to get 497, what did she use as her first number? Oh, okay. This one is not wrong because I like your idea, but I want us to look at these two right now. Did they both get 497?
Yeah.
Oh, but did they use the same problem?
No.
Turn and talk to your partner. What did they do different, but still got the same answer? What happened? Turn and talk. 2 and 1. Eyes up here. Someone tell me where she got this one from. 500 minus 3. Where'd that come from? Oh, did that come from the first problem?
No.
The 500 came from up here?
Yeah.
Oh.
I added 2 here and I added 1 there.
How far is 248 away from 250?
2.
How far is 249 away from 250?
1.
So how much did she have to subtract?
3.
And she used the original problem of 500, right? Okay, but you didn't. What did he do? He only subtracted 1. Did you use the second problem?
Yes.
What did you know in the second problem?
That actually I used it.
But you subtracted 1. Why'd you subtract 1?
I did it because, well, first of all, because 8 minus 1 is 7.
Oh, let's look at the numbers you had up here. 249 and 249 make 498, which you used. Why did you subtract 1?
Because 498, I knew that minus 1 is 197.
So those are 1 apart. And what do we know about these numbers? They're the same. They didn't change, right? Do both of those work to find the answer?
Yes.
Would it matter which one you use?
No.
Nope. So here's your last one. Ready? Two, 3. 496. Here's what I now need. I need somebody to use the first one. I want you to use the 500 and tell me the strategy we need to write down here. Use the 500 to tell me what to write down. In the back.
So, 500 take away 400.
I need you to decide if you agree or disagree with that statement. Turn and tell your partner and tell them why. Need you back here in 2. Eyes up here in 1. Need someone to agree or disagree. I'm going to go to the back of the room again. Yeah, what do you think? Agree or disagree? Why do you agree? Tell me one piece you agree with. Either the 500 or the 4. Which one? And why the 500? Oh, because we already know that, right? 250 plus 250 is 500. Someone tell me about the 4. Do we agree or disagree with the 4? What do you think?
I agree because you don't actually have, because you just added it on. You don't
Oh.
actually have,
So where'd the 4 come from?
when you added those 2 ones that equal 250.
Oh, he said the 2 ones. Does this one have 2 more ones?
Yep.
How about this one?
Yes.
So did we get 4?
Yep.
And does 500 minus 4 equal 496?
Yes.
It does. So here's my challenge to you. When you get a question like 248 plus 248, sometimes mental math can be faster. If you know a fact like 250 plus 250, you can do this faster by knowing it's 4 away from 500. Yeah, so maybe try that the next time you have a question come up, okay? All right. So thank you so much.